Hey, my lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So this is Temilayo's mom, and if this is your first time coming to our channel, please do well to subscribe and show us some love, of course. In today's video, guys, I want to show you how to make this delicious crunchy sweet potato chips. Enjoy watching. First thing first, let me welcome all of our new subscribers. You are very welcome to the TNM squad. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching our videos. We love and appreciate you guys a lot. And to all of our OGs, of course, you know I got you. Thank you for always coming back and showing us a massive love like you always do. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's go into today's video. First thing first, you want to wash your potatoes. Of course, this one is optional. You can just go ahead and peel before washing, but I like to wash before peeling because I might not have enough time to allow it just dry up, okay? Because you don't want it to be moist, you don't want water on it, so you will need it to like air dry before you can fry. But because I don't want to go through that process, I just feel like I should wash out the dirt, the sand, whatever the potato came with, okay? So, and that is exactly what I am doing. I'm just using my kitchen sponge. You can use steel sponge, whatever sponge you're using. You can even use foam. It depends on how dirty or sandy your potato comes. So after doing this, I have no reason to wash again after peeling. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. If you don't go through this process, you will need to wash, like rinse it before you slice, and that means you have to allow it to air dry before you fry it, okay? But if you don't want to waste your time doing all of that, you can just do it this way and you are good to go. Now I'm done washing, and the next thing is to, so before I continue, I would like to tell someone actually commented on my video that, oh, your video is cool but you talk too much. I am sorry, but this is my own way. This is how I know how to teach, okay? I can't just put a video up there or out there and then I'll put music all through. You are not yet to listen to music. There are a lot of music channel that you can go and listen to music. Over here, I teach everyone, including the lamest person that maybe you haven't even done this before, you don't know anything. I teach in the lowest of ways so everyone can learn and understand. So if you have trouble with me talking in my videos, you can just go ahead and mute it, okay? You can reduce your volume, you can mute it, however way you want to go about it. But please stop dropping such comments. It's not encouraging, and I hope you don't find this offensive. I just want to address it in case there's someone out there still thinking or hoping to comment such on my videos, okay? I talk because I really want you guys to understand each and every one of the process. And yeah, I don't think it's all of my video that I talk, because some of them I feel like it's like explanatory enough, like in the video, but some of them I just need to talk. Like this one, I will talk. So please, you can just go ahead and mute it so you don't get bored or you don't get overexcited, if I may say, okay? So thank you. And yeah, I need you to watch my videos. That is why I'm advising that you mute it. So now we are done cutting, slicing off the skin, and I'm just going to cut it slant because my potato actually came small sizes, and I was just trying to cut it slant in case I am slicing I can get a bit of bigger sizes, okay? But I actually like these small sizes because it's not easy to break out when you are after frying. You get what I mean? So if you are the one that likes big potatoes, you can go ahead and get yourself some big sizes potatoes. But yeah, I'm good with this size, but I still need it to come out a bit bigger. That's why I'm cutting like this. So this green, you can see I have two slicers here. The green one happens to be like my favorite, what I used before now, but the slicer is like, I don't know, it's not giving me what it's meant to be giving, or what it was giving me before now. It's kind of difficult. I think it's weighing out. And yeah, I have my all-time backup beside, which is the white one, and it's very cheap, so you don't need a commercial slicer when you are making your own at home. But for business, I will advise that you get a commercial slicer, because of course you are going to do a lot and you need it to be swift, okay? So the white one there, everybody have it in their kitchen. That is a lifesaver. It can slice off the skin, it can grate your okra, it can slice your potatoes, your plantain chips. In fact, that slicer, it's a lifesaver and I love it so much. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm getting. You want to slice it like so because you want it to be very flat and crispy. Okay, so I'm just going to continue slicing, and once I'm done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So apologies because I didn't know I wasn't recording when I was adding this to the oil. So like I taught you guys in the plantain chips video, you don't want this to be like 100% hot. And for the potato chips, you are not adding salt. Reason is because potato has its own water. If you add salt before frying, it's going to soak up in the oil, and the oil is going to like start giving it all those bumps. You know, when you fry potato, adding salt, and yeah, it will first of all bring out its own water before it start drying up, and in that process it's going to bring out some bumps, and yeah, you're not going to like it because that's not what we are trying to achieve here and now. Okay, so what we are trying to achieve is a kind of a smooth, crispy plantain potato chips. Okay, sweet potato chips, just like your Pringles will look like. Okay, so that's what we are trying to achieve. Reason we are not adding salt, you don't need salt. You can only add salt immediately after you bring it out from the heat, or any other spices you're adding. If you're adding pepper, if you're adding ginger, whatever spice you are making, you are only allowed to add that once you are done frying. You can't add it now. Okay, you can't add it before frying. So like I said, I didn't show you guys when I was adding it to the oil, and I'm going to do that in the next clip because I want you guys to see how it goes. And as you can see, the oil has stopped bubbling, and still we didn't get a burnt plantain, so we are going to get it off the heat now. Remember, your heat has to be on medium, not high, not low, just so you can get a fine looking crispy potato chips. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys when I've added it to the heat now. First one I'm showing you is like the one I separate with my hands. I'm just doing this because I'm doing a small batch, right? So when you're doing a big batch, this is not really important. You can just go ahead and add a chunk of it, like just pack it with your hands and add to your oil. I'm only doing this because yeah, I have time, so why not? I'm just wasting time or just showing you guys what it looks like. So you want to add it like so, and yeah, you will leave it for a few seconds or minutes before you stir or before you try to cover up with the oil. Okay, so that is what I did, and yeah, you will see. So here is the first batch that I did, and I'm just going to sprinkle in some salt because it's still hot. There's still some oil on the skin. I'm going to add in some salt, and yeah, this is when you add your salt, your pepper, your ginger, whatever flavor you're using, like I said before. Okay, so I'm doing just salt, and you just want to turn it around to make sure the salt is well coated. It's already crispy, okay, but then you still need to just allow it to air up a little like I'm doing. I'm going to put it on a tray with my parchment paper on it, and I'm just going to allow it sit there until I'm done frying, and yeah, that's it. So here is the one I'm going to show you where I'll just add it without separating anything. Okay, so you just go ahead and add it. It will separate by itself once it lands in the oil. The reason it will separate is because it's very thin. It's very thin, so there's nothing, no weight, there's nothing holding it. So just go ahead and add it to your oil and you are good to go. So enjoy the video, okay? So guys, here is our potato, our sweet potato chips. What do you think, guys? See, this thing is so crunchy. You can see how easy it's breaking. And yeah, I've added salt already. I'm just allowing it to cool off and dry up all of the oil on the skin before I package. And yeah, this is like the last picture or video I got from this because it was so good. And yeah, we started munching on it almost immediately. Like I said, this is so good and you want to try it. If you're into snack business, you want to add all of this to your catalog so you can have all of the varieties that people want. And let me know what you think in the comment section, and do well to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, this is very lucrative. You can go ahead and choose a beautiful packaging for yourself. You don't need to go overboard, okay? You can just choose a fancy nylon, like a transparent nylon, have your sticker on there, and you're in business. You are good to go. Potato chips and plantain chips are loved by a lot of people. It's an easy to go snack, and yeah, you can just take advantage of the opportunity and start off something. This is not something that you regret at all because you are still going to make profits. There's a lot of profit. And in case you're wondering, the vegetable oil I save myself the stress and use golden penny soya oil. I prefer this oil because it doesn't dry out easily, and yeah, you can get exactly what you started with after frying. It's odorless, and yeah, it will leave your snack crispy without its oil stain or anything on it. And let me know in the comment section if potato chips is part of what you'll be adding to your snack business in this year 2024. As per always, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Have a blessed day. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go